try to say the color orange, green, yellow, white, blue, black, one more, brown, red, purple, pink, nice, orange, last time, orange, let's say them all together. Yellow, red, blue, green, orange, red, purple, brown, black, nice, white, last time, one more, let's say them gray together. Here we go. Red, this is the learning green color. Orange, pink, thank you very much for watching. Black, white, and one more, gray. This has been Elf Learning with Colors. Thank you very much for watching.
Do something to make me laugh!
Untuk pembesaran dan tambahan pantau pembesaran semanja hari ini.
White, yellow, and blue. One more, blue, gray, one more, red, red. Now let's try to say the colors. Last time, let's say them all together. Gray, white, blue, yellow, black, green, orange, brown, purple, brown, pink, white, orange,
Captain Ryder and his
yellow. This is the Elf Learning. One more. Red. Thank you very much for watching. Nice. Last time, let's say them all together.
Riding waves into
Red,
the trees.
blue,
I'm trying to sail, even half a friendly whale.
orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white, and one more, gray. This is the Elf Learning with Colors. Thank you very much for watching. White.
Just